Rob Frazier here. This video talking about leadsleap and another share code system, if you will, that I found to use with this. And also this video is going to be a part of a series of me rebuilding up my online traffic. Little known fact, I kind of had a few resets in my own life. And I used to, when I mean resets, meaning I made a significant amount of money in affiliate marketing, and the income just doesn't come in and just keep coming in. It ebbs and flows. Just like anything else, you have good days, you have bad days, you have good weeks, bad weeks, good months, bad months, good years, bad years. You get the point. So had a lot of personal things going on, working on a lot of mindset things behind the scenes as well. Been through a lot of things in life that I don't want to say recovering from, but different things that are semi-challenging, and that's to put it lightly. But anyway, aside from all that, folks don't care, I know. The biggest thing, what I'm doing here is rebuilding up my traffic. And I know quite a lot of people are using certain traffic sources that other people would say is junk. And when I say certain traffic sources, I mean things like safe list and traffic exchanges. Yeah, safe list is basically you join a site and you can email the database of that site every single day. And some people say that traffic stinks, and other people is making it work, are making it work. So in my own case, I used to buy a lot of solo ads until I found out what people were really doing with solo ads. I'd buy solo ads and come to find out they're selling fake clicks, they're selling bot clicks. Apparently, bots can get on your email list, open your emails, set up free accounts to programs, but at the same time just be a bot. And there's all sorts of different things I'm finding out about that. That had deterred me from buying solo ads. I used to spend up to $5,000 a week in solo ads. Now I'm just testing all of my vendors from scratch. So starting all over from scratch, a part of that part of this whole evolution was getting back into safe lists and traffic exchanges and finding other people who are using different systems to make these things work. At the end of the day, it's about building your email list. Making money online in affiliate marketing is about building your email list. The bigger your email list, that consists of real people, the more likely you're going to make money if you have a good relationship with them, so on and so forth. So all of that kind of went down. I stopped buying solo ads as much. A few programs I was in crashed. A few programs went away. A few programs changed the comp plan. Blah 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 blah. A lot of stuff. So I've been searching for. I know a guy named Edward Keat online. He has like 4,000 referrals in one of his systems, and he uses things like this on SafeList. Now, this wasn't created by him, but he has something like this very similar, and it's called leadsleap is where this page is created. And if I move this thing, actually it's not down here in the corner, but this whole thing was created through leadsleap. And I know Edward Keat, he uses a lot of systems like this, has like a splash page, has a few little other things, and he uses a lot of leadsleap systems that are free. So that's how I got into leadsleap. And then while on leadsleap, I see other marketers using systems like this that just makes sense. And so while this isn't created by Edward Keat, this is something very similar that he would do. So basically, free system turns clicks into cash. How does it work? Come down here, you click on Get My Free System. Now, this is using leadsleap which you can create your free account and set this whole thing up for free. And you get something called a TEHoopla. I think it's like it's a traffic exchange, but it's not quite a traffic exchange. Okay, Rob, what does that mean? So what they do at TEHoopla, if I'm saying it correctly, I guess they've been around for like 20 years too, as well. So they take all of the traffic exchanges and just kind of whittle them down to the best ones, and they kind of give you like a step-by-step plan. They say, hey, if you're broke, if you're struggling, you need to get traffic, you need to get something going, start with these traffic exchanges. Forget about the rest. And that's kind of where TEHoopla is. It gives you that start here. Forget about the rest, because there's a lot of stuff out there, and there is. But you want to get consistent at working a couple, and then you want to build up, and then you want to have like a freebie offer to give away. Pause. And this right here is one of those systems. So you basically, and this link will be below this video as well, you have ads up here that are from other leadsleap members. So even if people don't come down here and click on your links, they click on these ads and you can get paid for them. I get a free leadsleap account. I'm getting paid when people click these ads on my page. Matter of fact, they calculate earnings every Friday. I just started promoting this page. I already got 8 cents. That's from people clicking on other leadsleap members' ads on my page. I'll take the 8 cents. Obviously, I've been promoting this page for 1 day to my email list, but that's where that 8 cents came from. People coming on here, clicking these ads right here, which aren't my websites. So when you come down here, you click on Get My Free System. The guy's going to take you through a whole video series, walk you through everything. But it's very simple. What it is you're setting up your free leadsleap account and your free TEHoopla account, and then you're just combining that, and then this whole thing is what you're promoting. Well, how does that build your email list? Well, in your back office of leadsleap, you can log in and you can see everyone who creates a leadsleap account. You can see their information, and then you can reach out to them and say, hey, I see you created your free leadsleap account. I see you created this. And then you can connect with them and promote your businesses to them, solve their problems, that whole deal. That is what I'm doing as well. I'm taking this page right here and I'm promoting it on a few other traffic exchanges. Now, a couple of traffic exchanges and safe lists that I will recommend: Herculist, Least Ad Space. The reason I like those is because you pay you can join for free. They have different levels and you can email a certain amount of people for free. But with Herculist, it was like a lifetime membership, which is like 64 bucks. And I never have to pay again, and I can email the Herculist database that's growing on a daily basis every day for as long as I want to. And I only paid 64 bucks one time. So I was just like, you know what? That's worth it to me. And yes, I do get leads from Herculist. Least Ad Space is set up the same way. You can join like a little level, or you can join at like the highest level. But after you join there, that's it. You don't have to pay again. You can just continuously email the database on a daily basis. That's why I suggest starting there. Herculist and Least Ad Space. These links will be below the video. Those places, I promote this page right here, this exact page. When people create a free account, I go into my leadsleap back office, find their information, send them an email. Hey, I'm Rob. This is me. This is how I'm promoting my business. This is what I'm promoting. Let me know if you need any help. Simple. And so Herculist, Least Ad Space, and I also use, it's called Infinity Traffic Boost and Infinity Mailer Boost. Again, those two links will be below this video. But Infinity Traffic Boost is like a traffic exchange. I don't want to say revenue sharing, because the revenue that they're sharing is very, very, very small. But it's kind of one of those programs. And Infinity Mailer Boost is kind of like a safe list. So Infinity Traffic Boost is a traffic exchange. Infinity Mailer Boost is like a mailer traffic exchange, like a safe list, but set up a little bit differently. I'll include links to those below the video. What I simply do is I take this link, promote it on those 4 places. Every single day I get up, I log in a Herculist, send out my daily email, log in a least ad space, send out my daily email, surf my ads on Infinity Traffic Boost, surf my email ads on Infinity Mailer Boost, send out my Infinity Mailer email, and then from there I go into my other routine, which is emailing my actual list that's in my autoresponders and my social media strategy. So that being said, wrapping this video up, I know I kind of went into a few other different things, but these leadsleap pages, they work. Edward Keat has a few of them that he uses. I'm going to pull up another one. This is one whenever it finally decides to load up here. I do got some country bumpkin Wi-Fi. This is another page that I borrowed from Edward Keat. I took his page and I just kind of modeled it. He had a 5-day course he was giving away. I had a 5-day course I was giving away. I just married it together. Now it's a 10-day affiliate marketing crash course. But this was a page he created in leadsleap, and he has a share code for it. And this page as well, I also promote Herculist, least ad space, Infinity Mailer, Infinity Traffic Boost, and as with my other traffic sources. The whole idea is to use these programs to get credits when people sign up. You get more credits, you can advertise your site more. You can advertise your site more, you get more signups, you start making money, you take that money, you start buying traffic from other places. Udemy, Traffic for Me, MLM Leads, and as money comes in, you buy traffic and it just scales up and up and up and just like that. So that being said, wrapping this video up, I know it's kind of long, but hopefully you got some value. The links for everything will be in the description of this video, and we'll talk to you in the next one.